Okay, hi everyone. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm back with another haul video and I'm going to show you my makeup collection, that is eyeshadow palette collection. So I'll show you some of the Indian companies and some of the companies which are available internationally and not here. So you can check online, or if you have somebody in US or somewhere or Dubai, then you can always tell them to get it for you. So I also did the same. So most of the palettes are available here at Nykaa or at any other or the particular brand website. So you can check out over there. So I'll swatch it all the favorite colors out of the palette over here. And of course, I'm not going to apply it on my eyeshadow because that will take a lot of time and the video will be too long. Without wasting any time, we'll start with the swatches. So the very first palette is this mini small pocket palette, I would say, from LA Colors, and I think this is the plums one because all the shades are related to plum color and the nudes and purples and light pinks. And I have done my eye makeup from this palette itself today. So you can see I have applied a nude base and then just the golden glitter on the lids, and that's it. So this is how it looks like. And the golden I have applied today is this one, and it's really beautiful. And I think I like this one also. I have not applied it today, but मैं आपके सामने ही देख रही हूँ because I just opened this today only. This is a nice purple shade, if you can see. And this is another rose gold one. So these are the three favorite shades I like from this palette, and others are the mattes one. I think I really like this brown shade. This is a nice bark brown. So yeah, that's all about this palette. So we'll quickly switch to another one, Huda Beauty Nude. And as you all know, Huda Beauty is known for its palettes and they have beautiful palettes. So this is how it looks like. And I'll show you some of my favorite ones. The one is this. The other one is this one. This is how it looks like. It's quite pigmented actually. Even the lightest of the lightest shades are very pigmented. I really like this thing about Huda because so many palettes have lightest shades, but they are not that pigmented. They seem to be very powdery. So all these colors, all the colors in this Huda palette, it's amazing. This is the best nude palette for the light and subtle makeup. One is this Makeup Revolution. This one, it has all the bright colors. I hardly use this palette because I generally use nude colors because चलते भी वही हैं ज़्यादातर. आप ऐसे देख सकते हो. It all has very bright shades. I really like this blue one. Generally जब भी blue eye makeup या blue वो करना होता है, blue smoky eye, I use this color out of this. And some other colors like this green, this midnight blue, this purple, and this pink I use a lot. This one, and I really like this copper shade also. Quite handy. It goes with all the looks. This is a nice golden shade, and yeah, that's it about it. This is a nice one. This is you can add up to your collection because आपको कभी ना कभी ऐसे bright colors चाहिए ही होते हैं. I think you should definitely go for it. एक ऐसा palette होना चाहिए in the collection. Okay, so next up I'm gonna talk about this Morphe palette. Again, this is not available over here in India, but you can check out the website of Morphe, or if you have someone out of India, so you can definitely tell them to get it for you, or you can get it anyway that you can see. But I also got it as like some of my family friends were there in US, so I told her to get it for me. I really like this one. इसमें भी कुछ nude shades हैं and कुछ shimmer वाले हैं, and this black is very good, very pigmented. This brown is also very nice. So I think I really like this one. ये भी काफ़ी कम यूज़ होता है because इसमें थोड़े से कॉमन कलर्स थे. ये मैं ना भी लेती तो भी चलता. Just like that I got it. Just wanted to add up to my Morphe collection. So yeah, I really like this one. You can use this shade for the inner corners, and then this rose gold shade I really like. This is how it looks like, and this, even the golden is very good. This is a copper metallic gold. So yeah, that's it about this one. And next one, I'll show you my Morphe again, but the Jaclyn Hill. This is the, I think this is the best and the most used palette. मतलब मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा यही use होता है. And sometimes when I'm carrying my big bags with me, so I always have this in my bags, because wherever I'm going, I carry this palette if I am able to, if I have the big bags, not in the slings of course. So I always carry this one, because this is the one versatile palette जो मतलब इसमें सारे कलर्स हैं जो सारे ही बहुत काम आते हैं. मतलब कई पैलेट्स में आप जैसे 2-3 कलर्स यूज़ कर लेते हो, बाकी if you are using, if you are not using, that's a different thing. But in this particular palette, this is the favorite one. इसमें सारे कलर्स you can see. Even this yellow one बहुत यूज़ होता है, येलो कलर फॉर द मिक्सिंग ऑफ द, यू नो, इफ़ यू आर क्रिएटिंग क्रीसेस और आप 2-3 शेड्स के मिक्स दे रहे हो तो ये वाला कलर भी बहुत काम आता है. एंड देन दिस ग्रीन टर्कोइज ग्रीन इज अमेजिंग, अमेजिंग. आई हैव यूज दिस वन एंड आई हैव यूज दिस कलर विद दैट ब्लू कलर. दोनों को मिक्स करके इतना अमेजिंग ब्लू बनता है. इट just you just ask for any look, eye look, and you'll get it from this palette. You can do any look from this one. So this black is my regular. I use this black only, and all these golden shades are amazing. This is the one I use for the inner corner sometimes, and these 4 or 5 shades are used repeatedly. This orange, this is the, I'll show you, this is the rust color, and it is used a lot of times. And then this one, this wine red color, and this nude brown color. These are just amazing. All these colors are very beautiful. So you can, if you can get it from wherever it's available, not in India but outside, अगर आप कभी से कहीं से मंगवा सकते हो तो ये पैलेट तो मंगवा ही लो, because this is the one palette. अगर आपके पास और कोई पैलेट नहीं है, सिर्फ ये वाला है ना, तो you are just done for it. So I think this is a must add on to the palettes collection. ज़्यादा तारीफ कर दी मैंने इस पैलेट की. Okay, next one is this Forever 52. ये I got it from Rajouri Garden Market. Pretty Cosmo. आपको ये उस पर भी मिल जाएगा easily नायका पे. And it has a nice magnetic lid. Sorry, I would not call it nice because it's a bit difficult to open. Okay, so finally this is how it looks like. इसमें सारे shimmer colors हैं. This is the palette you need for the party looks, and इसमें this mustard color is amazing, and this blue is very nice. All these are I would not say pressed glitters, because pressed glitters बहुत मोटे होते हैं, बहुत pieces होते हैं, but these are the shimmers, and they just looks very amazing for a party makeup look. Or you can see this silver one. And one more, this blue. This is how they look, and this is how the palette looks. And they this one, the glitter one, they have 4 to 5 palettes, I think. Just the glitters one. I'm not talking about the matte one. Matte ones are different. इसी ग्लिटर टाइप के पैलेट्स में भी उनके पास 4-5 पैलेट्स थे जिसमें और डिफरेंट टाइप के कलर्स हैं. तो आई चोज दिस वन बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक द ब्लू and in fact all the colors. So I got this one, but you can definitely check out more as well. And they have matte eyeshadow collection also, which I don't have, but you can check out because I have heard about it. And Forever 52 is a great brand. All the products are very good. Okay, so next one is this one, Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. इसका मैंने सिर्फ one palette 5 looks भी की थी for the eyeshadow. So you can check out my other videos. और आई कैन गिव द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक आउट. तो इसके 5 लुक्स मैंने क्रिएट किए थे एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. इसमें कुछ कुछ यूनिकॉर्न टाइप के शेड्स हैं एंड कुछ ग्लिटर हैं एंड दिस ऑरेंज एंड वाइन शेड्स आर ऑल्सो देयर. दिस पैलेट इज़ अ मिक्स काइंड. इसमें प्लम शेड्स भी मिलेंगे आपको एंड ये इस टाइप के ऐसे प्रेस्ड ग्लिटर भी है and this pink glitter is very nice. मेरे हाथ ही भर गए हैं. So yeah, that's it, and it has a nice grey shade as well. It's very different. ये हर palette में नहीं होता. So yeah, and this is also available at Nykaa. Nykaa पे सारे हुडा ब्यूटी ऑथेंटिक हुडा ब्यूटी पैलेट से, बिकॉज हुडा ब्यूटी ने खुद नायका के बारे में लिखा था. शी शेयर दैट ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ हर ब्रांड आर ऑथेंटिक एट नायका. मैं कोई गारंटी वारंटी नहीं ले रही हूँ, बट मैं सिर्फ बता रही हूँ. मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि ऑथेंटिक है, सो मैंने भी वहीं से लिया, आप भी ले सकते हो. ओके, लास्ट वन इज़ दिस ह्यूज बिग पैलेट फ्रॉम मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन. इसमें छोटे छोटे सेक्शंस हैं आई शैडोज़ के, बट ये एक ऐसा पैलेट है कि इसमें सारे कलर्स हैं. दो आई डोंट लाइक इट वेरी मच और मेरा ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं होता. देखने में ऐसा लगता है बहुत यूज़ होता होगा, बट आई जस्ट गॉट इट. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. आई अ बिट रिग्रेट इट बिकॉज इसमें सारे ही कलर्स, ये सारा जो सेक्शन है सारे एक जैसे न्यूड शेड्स हैं. सो डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. कुछ कुछ पॉप कलर्स हैं लाइक दिस लाइम एंड दिस neon pink and this coral shade I like and blue. Some of the colors over this section I use, but ये वाले तो बिल्कुल एक जैसे and ये कुछ तो बहुत ही पाउडरी हैं. So अगर आपको एक ही पैलेट लेना है और नहीं लेना है तो आप ये ले सकते हो बिकॉज इसमें से सारे शेड्स कवर होते हैं. बट सिंस आई हैव मोर पैलेट्स एंड बाइंग दिस वन वाज आई थिंक अ बिट स्टुपिडिटी. सो या दैट्स इट. इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए. एक का 2 शेड्स हैं बहुत अमेजिंग लगते हैं, लाइक दिस ब्लू वन, दिस वन, एंड आई थिंक आई लाइक दिस ब्लैक शिमर ऑल्सो. हाँ, इसमें 1-2 ब्लैक शिमर शेड्स है जो मेरे और किसी पैलेट में नहीं है, तो वो एक नाइस एड ऑन हो गया. जबकि ब्लैक शिमर में ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. आई ऑलवेज गो फॉर द मैट ब्लैक लुक्स. एंड दिस ग्रीन इज़ नाइस. दिस वन, दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. That's it. Bit of the rust color and nice brown shade mixed all together. Okay, so time for the last one. I don't know which brand it is, but ये मुझे as a gift आया था for promotion by one of the pages on Instagram. So this is how it looks like. It has 5 matte shades and 5 glitter shades. These are the pressed glitters, but they have a bit of the glue mixed in them. I don't like it much because ये ऐसे आप ऐसे हाथ में लोगे, ये it's very wet first of all, and secondly whenever you will apply it on your this eyelid, so आप जब second time लोगे ना तो और जब लगाओगे तो वो पहला वाला जो लगाया था वो हट जाता है और ब्रश से भी ये नहीं लगता. तो मुझे इतना कुछ खास पसंद नहीं है. स्वॉच में कुछ ऐसा आ रहा है ये, तो मुझे I don't know why I am not comfortable using these, but the matte shades are amazing. This light pink color is amazing. Nude shade, ये अच्छा है. ये सारे शेड्स अच्छे हैं, ये मैं यूज़ कर लेती हूँ, बट ये तो बिल्कुल यूज़ नहीं होते. सो या जैसे अब आप इसे इतना गीला गीला सा आता है, ये पता नहीं कैसे इसको यूज़ करते हैं. मे बी आई एम नॉट यूजिंग इट इन द राइट वे, or maybe some other way has to be done. So yeah, this is the last and the 10th one. So I think I've completed all my 10 eyeshadows. So हाथों का हाल ऐसा हो गया है. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed, and do let me know what all other makeup products you would like to see. I will be quite happy to show you all my collection. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.